Hello there. Today we're going to show how to boot your pen drive with Windows 11 ISO file by determining MBR and GPT partition style. So this is my pen drive. You can see that the size is 8 GB, the minimum requirement for booting. Then this is the Windows 11 latest ISO file downloaded from the web. And if you need to learn how to get it, simply follow the video from the description. And finally, the tool with which we will boot is Rufus Bootmaker, the latest version. So let's start. Click on select and choose the ISO file. Now the most important part. Here to choose MBR or GPT, simply follow me. Go to this PC. Right click and come to manage. Come to disk 0. Right click and properties. Under volume, check partition style. It's GPT here. Okay. Now leave everything as it is and click on start. And here, click the first one if your PC doesn't meet or support the condition of TPM 2.0 and minimum 4 GB RAM requirement. It's started. Now, depending on the configuration of your PC, it will take shorter or longer time to be done. And finally, it's done. If I eject it and insert it again, it will show me the logo and it means it's successfully booted. Now simply go to your boot menu on BIOS and choose this pen drive as booting device. It will start the Windows 11 setup for you. And I hope it's clear to you. If you need more help, please don't hesitate to ask on the comment box. Hit the like button and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.